Good, how you doing?
Good. Reservations?
Yes.
And the last name?
So there's no gym here, no breakfast in the morning, no swimming pool, just coffee. So we'll go up here just so you see the stairs. Now let's go check out the room. So I did book this hotel with hotels.com and it was about $110. Check out those later. Here's a laundry room, just quarters. Do not place anything in the sink while the machine is running. So y'all gonna need quarters if you're staying here for a couple of days and you need to do your laundry. I don't know if they have quarters up there at the front desk or not. Shocked my arm. All right, let's check it out. So that's the bathroom. Just you gotta make sure the door closes. It's gonna take a while to close. If you gotta hang something, no ironing board or iron that I see. The beds don't look too bad. Okay, you can charge your phone, USB cables, a yak up there. Fridge is working. Microwave. Little desk area right here. AC heater unit. And a random chair. So the TV, so I can press the right button. It does have Netflix, YouTube, Pandora, and was that Vudu? So you should be able to connect your account on here and you're able to watch it. So that's good that the TV is updated at least. And no source, perfect. Oh, there you go. But we'll mess with that later. It's not bad for like $110. Alright, and that's it. So hopefully this will either convince you to stay here or convince you not to stay here. Till the next one.